Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the SHARDEN brand, their electronics repair toolkit, 56-in-1 precision screwdriver set. Comes in this really nice holder that has a handle and be zippered open and closed. First thing I want to point out is how small this is compared to my hand, yet it just holds a lot. You can fit this in your pocket and have this available whenever you need to have a great subset of different tools. Now this electronics repair toolkit can be easily, you can easily repair almost any product in your life. PS4, PS5, Xbox, Nintendo, game controllers, consoles, iPhones, laptops, computers, cell phone, tablets, anything that can use these bits or these tools can be fixed with this. Now on Amazon, this gets a really high rating of 4.7. I'm going to show you a slide about that. So people really like this. Has one ergonomic screwdriver handle, two red dual head plastic pry bars, one flexible shaft extension rod, one solid shaft extension rod, one precision angled tweezer, rubber suction cup, red magnetizer, 5 triangle paddles, metal pry knife, and a black sponger. The 40 pieces of precision bits has Phillips PH000 to PH2, Flatheads 1.5, 2 and 2.5 millimeter, game bits 3.8 and 4.5, Torx T2, T3 and T4, Torx Security T6H to T15, Hex H1.3 to Hex 3.5, nut drivers 2.5 millimeters up to 5.5 millimeters, and even a pentalobe shape of 0.8 up to 3.5 MID. And also has a triangle 2.3 U-type and 2.6 ICS H3.5. Now that's a lot of crazy technical jargon, but I'm going to show you how to use some of these and some of the real common ones. Let's show what's in here. This is the little suction device. This is great for going against a screen. If you're removing a screen, you can put that on there like that, and then it can help you remove that screen if it's got to be removed. And also has a reset pin on there for resetting devices. This is a cool little thing. It magnetizes and demagnetizes. We're going to show you how to use that. You can magnetize, demagnetize these bits. Here is the one tool that works with this right here. Here you've got a precision handle, and you put this tool in there just like that, and then you could rotate this, and you could easily remove things. And that rotation feature is really nice. You can be really precision with that. Now when you put this on, it does become magnetic automatically. So whatever bit you put on there will be magnetized. Let me give you an example right here. I'm going to take one of these hex bits right there and go into my little storage bin right here, and you can see it picks up all the components. It's magnetic at this point. So as soon as you put it in there, it becomes magnetic. When you don't use this and you go like this, it's directly in there. It's no longer magnetic. And if you don't want it magnetic, you can go on this side right here, which removes magnetism. And then we can try that same experiment, and it doesn't pull anything up. Now if I want to make this magnetic, I go in the center and I swipe it like that a couple times, and now it has some magnetism to it. So that's really neat. You can go back and forth. You can remove the magnetism or add it. That's a handy feature. Now these are held on by Velcro, which I like. It's real simple. It allows you to pull these up and keep them very organized for your use. Let's go over what else they have in here. You have these really nice pry tools, and these are great for going on the side of a product. When you're opening a product, you make a little opening and then you use that to torque it open, and there's two sizes right there. We have a set of precision tweezers right here that are really honed in and really nicely made. Then you have these other little pry bars right there. Sometimes you want to have a flat pry bar for opening up battery compartments and things, or again opening up a piece like this. And here you have a little sharp plastic point, and this is a special plastic. It's really durable. Then you have this pry bar right here, which is metal. When you have to have a little more torque to open something up, you have the metal pry bar right there. And you have these little red pieces right here, which look like picks for a guitar. And you can see there's a whole slew of them right there. And again, that's for prying open something that's more delicate. And these are nice and thin, and you see they're shaped kind of smooth and a slight arc to them that allows you to open something without damaging it. Then we have this right here, and this is an extension that allows you to put it on here like this, and then you could go on any angle like this and rotate, and you then could repair something that is on a complex angle. So you put a bit inside there, and now you have this angle that you could rotate something to repair something. And that's nice because sometimes you can't get in with this long length, and you can get in with that curve just like that. So I'm going to give you some examples of things that can be repaired that you wouldn't expect have certain sizes. So here is something that I just purchased. This is a mount for a laser grid, a leveling laser. And I was looking at this and I wanted to adjust something, and I noticed that it has a hex nut or bolt right there. So if I look on here, there are different hex sizes. I could find the one that would possibly fit it. That one's too small. We go to the next one right here, and that one fits. So now I can take the included tool and I could easily tighten or loosen that up. Now in this case I wanted to tighten it, and that solves that form just like that. Now another application, here's another product. Here is a light that has hex heads on there, and now that's not the size for that, so we're going to downsize that to a smaller diameter. Put that on like that right there, and now we could go and we could loosen this for tightness for repairing. So let's try another example. Sometimes you have something like a camera that has really small Phillips head screws on there that have a certain pitch to them. Now you can go through and you can look at the Phillips head section over here, and you could pick the right one, and that happens to be this one right here, which is the 00. Let's put that in there like that. And now these little tiny Phillips head, which are impossible to remove normally, come out really easily just like that. And I can magnetize that tip if I want to. So this would just totally save you if you had to repair this camera. In this case, I took this camera apart and modified some of the electronics in it, and that allowed me to easily get to it using that bit. Now there is that list of bits that I went over, that pretty extensive list of everything in it, including those torque bits and everything. And here's these little hex heads, and they're labeled 5mm, 4.5, 3.5, and that'll be if you have a little nut that is that size and allow you to get it. Then you got the Torx bits over here, and you have flatheads along here, another Phillips head. These funny looking shaped ones that I probably said in that list are on there also. So basically you have the ability in a very small package, because this is really tiny, and you have the ability to have all the stuff stored in there, including the ability to magnetize and demagnetize. So this is an excellent value. Here's another example. Here's one of these gun mounts here on an infrared light, and you need to be able to adjust the rail on here. So I'm going to take one of these bits and I could totally open and close the rail mount on this lite. So wouldn't be able to do that without this. So after testing this SHARDEN electronics repair toolkit with 56-in-1 professional electronics repair toolkit, what do I think about this? I like this product. The form factor of this is so small, yet it holds so much in here of the common sizes that you're going to run across. You're going to be able to repair a lot of stuff in your home, in your office, in your business, and then you just take this and you zip it closed. You have this really small form factor that can go right in your pocket. Really nice quality overall. I like this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll alert the new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with all your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.